come on with me to take a quick tour of the updates in the Coastal by SeaCoast Homes. Call for a tour. Okay, let's go take a look. They've got the hardy board getting ready to be put on. The sandpiper next door has siding. This coastal has been built a number of different times, but a coastal like this has not been built. You've got your one-car garage over here for your golf cart. Look at this. So much space. Then if you go over here and go through these double doors, you enter into this massive living space. You've got a living room, dining room, and kitchenette in this space. So it's like a little studio apartment, except it's got a dedicated bedroom over here. So really it's like a little studio with a bedroom or a legit one bedroom. Isn't this great, you guys? Access to the back from here. And you have your full bath right here with a walk-in shower, single sink vanity. Over here, you have your elevator with access to the upstairs that will be installed. Over here, you have another access to the backyard. Isn't this fabulous? Doors have been delivered. Let's go upstairs and take a look. Massive front porch. This entire front porch can be screened in. That's what's in the plans. They like to screen in the entire front porch. What I would prefer is just to screen in this side over here, and then have this side open, but you can get it fully screened. That's what's in the plans. You enter through one of these two double doors into these nice tall ceilings with the tray. Very open concept. Very bright and airy. Lots of natural light coming into the space through those double doors and all the windows. You're gonna have an island here, a nice size island, oversized island. You're gonna have all your cabinets, uppers, lowers. And then your dining space over there in that bright nook. It's the perfect little area for a dining space. Over here, you have a huge pantry. Isn't that great? Over here, you have a little nook there, and you have your wash machine and dryer, your laundry room. Next to it, you have your elevator. And then down the hall, you have access to the back deck. This back deck will be screened as well. Isn't this great? We'll look at these secondary bedrooms in a second. Want to take you into the master. Here you go. It's a great size room with access to the front porch through those doors. And then you have private ensuite. You've got your double sink vanity, water closet there, tile shower, and a good sized closet there. And you have your attic access there in the closet. So that's your primary. Back over here down the hall, you have your secondary bathroom with the tile surround on the tub, single sink vanity. Then you have your second bedroom and your third bedroom. Great floor plan. It's a popular one, and they made some modifications that have made it just so much better, especially including that downstairs being finished as a full living space. So if you like this coastal and you want to know more about the finishes going in here, the color selections, all of that good stuff, give me a call, 910-518-JESS. 5377. I can't wait to hear from you. Come by a SeaCoast house.